Alright. This is my son's 2006 Raptor Yamaha 700. It's a 2006. Bought it used. I know it's a little bit beat up. Not beat up, really. Kind of dirty. Nice chrome rims on there. Put these new steps on here. These are Tusk. Pretty nice. Fit right on. A new case saver there. He's actually got two new sprockets and a new chain he's gonna put on. Just ordered. My son talks me into stuff. He's 17. He gets me going though. Anyway, he gets me all revved up on stuff. He comes up to me, he's like, "Hey Dad, you know what'd be really cool?" I'm like, "What?" "Man, we should get it's called the Big 3. We need the Big 3, Dad." I'm like, "What the hell are you talking about, dude? The Big 3, you know?" He says, the Big 3. Air filter, intake, the exhaust, and a fuel tuner. I'm like, "What the hell are you talking about?" "Yeah, you gotta get an aftermarket exhaust." He says, "You see how these two pipes come out of the head here? See them rusty little tiny little pipes they got coming out of the head there? All rusted up. They come in and then they come together in a Y behind this heat shield here. And it comes out this little exhaust here. It comes out here." Well, I was like, "Well, what's so bad about that?" He says, "Just that hear that? That's a stock exhaust." So I'm like, "All right. So what does all that mean?" So he already got the I know it's dirty. He was trailing around in the mud back here in the backyard. It's been raining, so we don't got good drainage, but you can see his tire tracks in the grass there. Because he actually got busted riding on the street by the police. They chased him back to the house, come knocking on my door. He's not supposed to be driving that on the street. Now we know where to come." I was like, "All right, cool. Bet. It won't happen again, sir." So, boom. Nice Pro Design intake. K&N Filter. He did that himself. Pretty handy little feller, ain't he? Anyway, I'm going to drill some holes in this air box here, lid. And, so anyway, so we had to, so I did a little research, looked around, hemmed and hawed. And finally I settled on getting the big guns, the Evo R dual system, and a Power Commander 5 with fuel, ignition, and timing. That's going to be here in just a couple days. And I'm going to install that. Or he is, actually. Look at them nasty ass pipes in there. Look how tiny those pipes are, man. I can't even imagine how this thing's gonna sound. And like I said, he's got a new rear sprocket, new front sprocket he's gonna put on. Brand new chain. Like I said, he got that K-saver. New K-saver. This is a fast quad. Because I got another quad. And this blows it away, man. I don't even want to tell you what the other quad is. Some Korean knockoff or something. But anyway, it's like a Cadillac. It's got four-wheel drive and power steering, and you know, because I'm an old man. But he loves riding this thing, man. He can ride the crap out of it too. So anyway, I'll be back when we do the install on the pipes and the fuel tuner. And I'll give you guys another rundown on it, let you know. What's what. Another quick sound of it. So we'll be back. I'll be back a couple of days. Alrighty. Here we are, a couple weeks later. Still got that Raptor 700, and like I told you, boom, there we go. New mufflers. New big guns. Duals. XOR series. They look nice. They fit right in there. No problems. Kind of like they were made for it, you know? Anyway, they come in 3 pieces. You got one piece comes off the head, goes to here. The other piece comes in from the back, slips over it, comes with the clamp. The clamp came with it. It looked like a stainless steel clamp, so that shouldn't rust. And then the second piece goes towards the back here, and the muffler fits on the second piece. It's held on with a spring and mounts up here on the frame. Not those 2 old bolts there. And that's because this side doesn't have those bolts. It only has a frame, so I imagine they're trying to match it up. But this one, same thing. It comes in 3 separate pieces. Also got new sprockets in the front. New GYTR sprocket. New case saver there. New chain. New rear sprocket. That GYTR rear sprocket too. New chain, like I said. And on top of that, we got the, we already saw the Pro Design intake, but now we have a Dynojet Power Commander. How you like that? So let's give this a shot and see how it sounds here. Feel that all the way back here. Anyway, our next move is to get the vapor. It's a digital tach, speedometer, temperature gauge, and everything else. So when I get that put on, I'll do yet another one and let you guys know how that looks. But definitely increase in horsepower, definitely. And you can feel it. Not like you can't feel it, you can definitely feel it. And those pipes look good. So we're almost set for this summer. Gonna have a nice summer up north here. Go up a couple times a year. Be going the first time here shortly. But it's ready to rock and roll now. So anyway, I would recommend anybody, if you can afford it, do it. They're a little pricey, but you can get them on eBay for about 600, upper 500s for that dual set of mufflers. I would highly recommend it. Anyway, alrighty then.